Alright guys, here we are. DC Autotronics, Escondido, California, 760-715-2404 or dc.autotronics@gmail.com. Alright, here we are. Another update, another build with the VFL4480. A lot of questions on this amp. Can we run this? Can we run that? I love to answer all your questions in these videos, but unfortunately, a lot of you guys are doing different systems, different cars, and that's going to make a huge factor on the sound. So hopefully this will help some of you guys out there that want to run bigger woofers. Keep in mind, we do not recommend anything larger than what you're seeing now to get the maximum output out of the amplifier and the maximum output with the woofer. We can explain it to you guys in more detail. Just call us or email us, and hopefully we can answer your question. At any rate, let's start with the power wires. You can see it's a 4-gauge input, 4-gauge power, 4-gauge ground. And for those of you that are not believing what we're doing, as you can see, we got positive and negative running from the amplifier into the enclosure. Alright, really quick, we've got another enclosure here that we've done, you guys. It's actually for 315 TNTs or 3 RX 15s, which are not out yet, come out next year. Alright, at any rate, this box is tuned to about 33 Hertz, and you guys are going to be witnessing the first SPL test. These woofers are broken in. Again, they're TNT15s, the new series, which again, they just have black casting. 600 RMS, 1200 max, underrated woofers. Alright guys, here we go. No bass knob either. Amp has been tuned, ready to go. Alright guys, let's get going. Really quick, I just want to state out some of the obvious. For those of you that are familiar with SPL, want to let you know that this is hurting us. We're losing air. And in the SPL world, that's bad. But for those of you guys that don't give a shit, I hope you enjoy this video and hopefully it'll help you guys out. Alright, same song we've been using, running roughly, I don't know if you can see in there, it's roll the window. As you can see, we're running about 14 volts there, which is pretty cool considering this car usually runs about 13.8 volts. Alright, here we go. Enjoy. Alright guys, there you guys have it. Again, 145/64, two TNT15s on a 4480. Open the back again, open the back. Again, if you guys have any questions on this video, feel free to call, email us. Again, no tricks, no gimmicks, guys. We can explain it more in detail what we've done, but nothing has changed. For those of you that have been watching our videos, the GTI has remained the same. 3 X2000 back cap batteries. Other than that, the power wire is the same. Of course, the box is built differently. Stay tuned. We'll be using a third TNT off the VFL 175.1, and we'll be doing a couple of testings with that setup, you guys. So stay tuned. We'll be doing another SPL test with the system that we have set up now, which is 3 back cap X2000s running on a 175.1 with 3 TNT10s. Then we will be introducing the new, I don't want to say new, but for us, the new X3000 back cap batteries, which is going to give us more power. We will also be adding a regulator because of the fact these cars cannot regulate power. In other words, it can't make voltage. That's just the way the car's built. And we'll introduce all of that as this goes on. Again, stay with us. We have a lot of work to do in the next years coming. Again, that's what we do here. We test and we build. We want to help you guys out there. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to email or call us on these setups that I mentioned, and even the setup that we have here. Again, VFL4480 rated at 2200 RMS at 1 ohm, about 13.5, between 13.5 up to 14 volts is what you'll see that number at. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned.